So we are back on the third part. This is the last part, and I would like to show you what I find around the building, what you can see. And I had to take my shoes, and I have to wait after people, so I had to start the second part. So you will find this here. I'm not sure what is there, but there is something. Plus we have this here. Probably sake. And my friends are here again. So let's walk. I will try to go up, but it's a little bit crowded, so I have to keep quiet as well. So all the way up here, you will see, first you will see my friends. So we came from that place, yeah, as you guys could see on the second part. So you went in to the temple, all around the temple. We came out, we went back, take the shoes, and come in here. I show you now in this video this part, and now we are here. So you can see my friends here. And you can see this small temple here. He's my bodyguard as well. He's here from a long time. I don't know his name, I can't remember. But you can see how beautiful it is. Everything here. I try to record as much as possible, but it's very tight on here. So I would like to show you, my friends. And soon we will go up on these stairs. They are very beautiful. Here is shadow, so you can see much better. They were waiting for me for a long time, but now I'm here, my friends. Everybody's happy now. They are all happy because I'm here. And now I will walk. I will try to go up. Beautiful, very beautiful. So now I will try to go up, let them to come down, and let's go. Let's see what can we find here. So here is a smaller version. I will show you, just let me let them to finish so I can show you. It's really beautiful. So this is a smaller version, and it looks like that. And the small house here. Now let's go down because people are coming. So you have to move here, you can't stop because everybody's coming up. So up and down. You have to let them to come here as well. Take some pictures, videos. Now we're going down. And now I will try to go up on this way. It's another hard mission, but we will do it. I need them to go. 1, 2, and we are going up. Let's see who is waiting for us on here. I just want to tell you it's very hot. So we find this on here. This one. And the main thing is this one. So on this level we have here this beautiful thing. I don't know the names. I'm not sure if I want to go more, but people are coming back, so probably this is the end of our trip. Let's go check on here as well, and that's it. So we arrive here on the top and we find this smiley face. Say hello for everyone. People leave some coins here, and that's it. So let's go back. Fucking hell. Don't touch nothing. That's rule number 1.
More stairs?
No, that's the end. So this is how it looks like from here, from the top of the hill. See? Now let's go back. It's too crowded here, so I don't want to stay too much because other people come and go as well. It's not only for me, for myself. So I finished the video exactly here. Don't forget to push like, share, comment and subscribe, and watch the video till the end. From Kyoto, we say goodbye.